Now student, we are going to discuss this question number 7.19. Clear? In this question it is given, suppose the circuit in exercise 7.18 has a resistance of 15 ohm. Then what is obtain the average power transfer to each element of a circuit and the total power absorbed. Clear? Now you can see, let's suppose if I draw this circuit diagram, I can say this is inductor. Let's suppose this is capacitor. Now we are connecting our resistance also in with a AC source. Clear? Now value of resistance, it is given to you. This is 15 ohm. Clear? What about value of C? Value of C, we are getting 60 microfarad and 80 millihenry. Clear? Yes or no? This is 80 millihenry and 60 microfarad. So 80 millihenry and this one is 60 microfarad. Clear? And what about voltage source? 230 volt and 50 hertz. Clear? So 230 volt comma, we can say this is 50 hertz. Clear? Now what is our objective in this question? We have to obtain average power. Clear? It means first of all we will find impedance of this circuit. Clear? Impedance is given by Z equal to, I can say now this is R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Clear? Now you can say, you can also write it like this. This is 15 square plus, what about XL and XC? We can say this is given by 2 pi, because this is equal to omega L. Omega is given by 2 pi F. So this is 2 pi F. And what about L? L is given to you 80 millihenry. So 80 into 10 to the power minus 3. Clear? And what about XC? We can say XC equal to 1 upon omega C. Clear? This is equal to 1 upon 2 pi. Clear? What is value of F? F value is given to you. We can say this is 50. Clear? And what about C? What is value of capacitance? This is given 60 into 10 to the power minus 6. Clear? Now let us try to understand this calculation you have already done. Yes, in the previous question. So we can write like this. Value of capital Z, it is given by value of R. Value of R we have, this is 225 plus. Clear? 225 plus. Now we can say this value is equal to, we can say this is 25.13 and this is 53.05. So we are getting this is 27.82. Clear? So directly I am saying 27.82, this is whole square. Yes or no? So from here you can write like this. This is equal to 225 plus. What about 27.82 square? 27.82 square, this is given by, we can say 779.5. Near about this value you will get. Clear? So if you add it, clear? If you add it, you can say this is 200 and 700, this is near about 900. 25 plus 79, this 100 more, it means 1000. So 1000 plus value you are getting, and this value you are getting, this is 1004.5. Clear? Now if you take square root, clear? Square root of this one, it is given by, we can say 31 point, and we can say this is 7. Clear? Ohm. So this is the impedance of this circuit. Yes or no? So can we find value of IRMS? Yes, we can write like this. IRMS is given by, we can say this is V divided by capital Z. What about V? V is given to you, this is 230. And what about capital Z? Capital Z is given, this is equal to 31.7. Clear? 31.7. So now we can say, if you calculate it, you will find this value near about 7.25 ampere. And definitely this current is less than compared to previous one. Why? Because we are also adding the impedance due to resistance. Clear? You are getting an additional term of 225, or we can say resistance. Clear? So now you can say our objective in this question is to find average power transfer. Again, you can say if we talk about Vrms and corresponding to L, we can say this is equal to what? We can say, because you can say this is equal to IRMS and multiply XL. Yes or no? So from here you can say, we can write value of IRMS and XL. Yes, you can calculate it, but our objective is to find average power. So directly I am going for power. So what is average power across inductor? This is given by Vrms across L. We can say this is IRMS, and we can say this is cos phi. So in the case of an inductor, again you will find phase difference between RMS voltage and IRMS, and in this situation whenever you have a pure inductive case, pure inductive circuit, so in the case of pure inductive circuit, you always find voltage is leading with current by angle pi by 2. Clear? So now we can say this power, average power you are getting, this is 0 watt. Clear to everyone? Now how can we write average power and corresponding to, we can say, capacitance? This is again you will find like this: VRMS, C, IRMS, and we can say this is cos phi. Again you can say phase difference between potential difference. Phase difference between potential difference and current, this is given to you 90 degree. Clear? So again we can say this average power we are getting, this is equal to 0 watt. Clear to everyone? This is 0 watt. So now we can say, can we find average power corresponding to resistance? Yes. Now it is given by IRMS square multiplied with R. Clear? So what is value of IRMS? IRMS value is given to you 7.25 ampere. Clear? So this is 7.25 whole square. What about multiply with R? R value is given to you 15 ohm. Clear? This is 15. Clear? So now if you solve it, you can say 7 multiply 7, this is 49, and 49 point something you will get, and you have to multiply it with 15. Clear? So this value you will get near about, I am directly telling you this answer, 789.5. Clear? So 789.5 watt you are getting this power. Clear? So this is average power of this resistor. Now if I talk about what is average power of this circuit, definitely average power corresponding to inductor and capacitor, this is 0. So I can say average power of this circuit, it is also given by, we can say this is corresponding to this circuit, it is given by 789.5 watt. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.